Got a plumbing emergency or a big upcoming job and need to find a qualified professional right away? Well, there's no quicker way than the Plumb Now app. Find plumbers, electricians and carpenters using our fast, free, easy-to-use app. Download now from Google Play or the App Store. With our fantastic app, you'll benefit from clear and easy navigation. There's no diving into pages and pages of incomprehensible trade jargon here. Everything is clear, simple and in everyday language. There's fast sign-up. Registration is super simple and takes under a minute. There's a clear view of what each tradesperson can offer. From leaking taps to a blocked toilet, it couldn't be easier to find the service that you need. There's a wide choice of services. Our highly qualified professionals don't just respond to plumbing emergencies. Home improvement projects of any size can be catered for with Plumb Now. Plus, with electricians and carpenters also being available, there's not much you can't do. There's even the ability to track your professional right to your door. So, no surprises or worrisome waits. Plus, you only need to pay once the work is complete, which you can do safely and securely right on the Plumb Now app. So why delay? Download the Plumb Now app today and know that a qualified, experienced professional is only ever a few clicks away.